and focused feature. As a woman facing crisis, life may have crumbled around you, literally or figuratively. The bills are stacked, the savings are gone, and you're left to pick up the pieces. You may have done this before in a different way, quietly holding everything together for others, but now it's time to do it for you. Your strength, your resilience, your ability to organize, nurture, and solve problems, those are the tools that can turn chaos into cash flow. It's time to stop surviving and start rebuilding with intention. Being funded and focused means taking your life skills and turning them into a plan that generates income, stabilizes your finances, and rebuilds your foundation stronger than ever. So call the right people, set your priorities, use your network, monetize your strengths. Every small action compounds into progress. This isn't just recovery, it's reclaiming your power, your independence, and your financial confidence. Step into your skills, your experience, and resilience. You have what it takes to rise, rebuild, and become fully funded and focused.